Hi, Mike Braithwaite, CEDIA Expo 2025. I'm in the Modern Atomics booth 1120, but if you knew that, you're probably here already. I'm here and we're introducing a few new products. This product is called a Tokamak. Tokamak is a little different than what you've seen from us in the past. It is a power distribution unit. It is agnostic, meaning it can run any shade, Lutron, Crestron, Somfy, any shade that you have. It is really designed as an energy harvesting unit. So what it does is it will work with reactors and with neutrons and with colliders to power them so you can get rid of like PoE altogether. And then this unit will save a lot of space, and it's kind of built for smaller projects, but in a way it's built for large projects because you would use this with several neutrons or several reactors, like for hundreds of shades. And it's shipping now in both 8-port versions, 10-port versions, and 20-port versions.